and welcome to this tutorial where I will be teaching you how you can recreate this camera shutter logo. And as you can see that this resembles the logo in iPhones, right? Or probably if you have an Android as well, and if you want to access your camera on your phones, in some phones it looks like this, right? So it's extremely easy to make, and let's see how that's done. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'll be opening up a new document. So for this video, I will be using this custom size document, which is 1000 by 1000 pixels. And I will be renaming my document to be camera shutter logo. But just in case if you want to use any other document size, you are free to choose those. And as you can see, Adobe Illustrator provides a huge variety of these document sizes right here. But just in case if you want to use the same document size that I am using, just type in 1000 by 1000 pixel, 1000 by 1000 in the width and the height options and change your dimensions to pixels. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'll be making a circle, and it's right here in this drop down menu. I do not require the stroke as of now, and I will be choosing the color of the fill of my circle to be purple for now, but you're free to choose any fill you like. And I'll come here to the center of my document, click on Shift plus Alt and just make one big circle like that. So now the next thing I'm going to do is that I'll be making a second shape, which will be this polygon right here. And again, I do not require the stroke, I just need the fill. The fill has to be white. I'll come over here to the center, click on Shift plus Alt again, and make a small hexagon like that. Okay. So once that's done, now I'll be making some lines. Now the lines, again, I do not require the fill, but I do need the stroke. So the stroke, which is the outline, I'll be choosing this orange color. And I will be increasing the stroke weight as well to 7 points. I'll zoom in and I'll just make one line going from this point. Click on Shift and increase it like that. I'll be using the direct selection tool to get hold of this anchor point. Click on Shift and with the help of the arrow keys, I'll be just bringing it outside like that. Okay. Now I'll select the line. Click on Alt and make one copy right about here. And then just bring it down where the white meets the purple. So if you zoom in, you can see that it fits properly like that. Okay. So once that's done, what I'm going to do is that I'll just select this line and this line again. Come over here to the edit panel, copy, edit, and paste in front. So once that's done, all we have to do is that I'll be rotating this so that we come parallel to the next set of lines like this, and I'll repeat the process again. Now that my second set of lines is still selected, I'll go to edit, copy, edit, paste in front again, and just rotate this again onto the other side as well, like that. So what I'm going to do is that I'll be selecting the lines that we've just created, right? And I'll be changing its stroke line now to white, like that. Okay. Since that's done, I'll select just the circle we've just made. Go to edit and cut that out for now. Now I'm cutting it out just temporarily as of now, and I'll just select all these lines that we've just made. Go to object and I'll expand this. Make sure that my fill and stroke options has been switched on, and I'll click on OK. And now that it's still selected, I'll go to the Pathfinder tool, and in the shape modes option, I'll be selecting the first one which says unite, like that. Once that's done, I'll go back to edit and save, paste in back, so that the circle that we had temporarily deleted, we had temporarily cut, comes back into place like this. Now what I'm going to do is that I'll select everything, and it's still in the Pathfinder panel. There's this second option which says minus front. So if I click on that, all the lines that we had created gets deleted, and we are left with just this one shape like that. So now that we've got a basic shape, the only thing that's left to do is to add the colors in each segment, right? So in order to do that, I'll be using the direct selection tool, and then I can just individually select each shape, right? So you select one shape and you go ahead and add any color of your choice, right? So you can add up to any color of your choice. So I'll be adding simple rainbow colors in mine, like this. So make sure that you're using the direct selection tool in order to select each part and add the colors accordingly. And like that, and there you go. We have now successfully made our camera shutter logo. So now the only thing that's left to do is that we have to save our document. So in order to do that, I'll be going to File, clicking on Save As. So by default, my file name is going to be the same as my document name, which was the camera shutter logo. And my save as type is going to be Adobe Illustrator. I highly recommend that we save a file in this format, so that in case if I want to make any further changes, I can easily access my AI file, and we can go ahead and save our file and click on OK. And there you go. Right in front of our document right here, it says .ai, which means our document has now been successfully saved as an AI file. So we've come to the end of our video, and I hope you found this video to be useful. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.